Okay, now what we're going to do at the base here is actually cut out this bottom part, and we're going to put a little bit of a brown base. So just take a little bit of brown, and on this all we have to do is kind of roll it out into a ball, and then I kind of just roll it into more of an elongated shape and then flatten it. Okay, and then just push it on. If it's not sticking, then just add a little bit of water. And then just make some little lines in it like it's do the same thing on the other one. Then just flatten it. And voila! Okay, now before the fondant dries out too much, what I want to do is just take any kind of, this is kind of like a little knife type tool, and I just want to make some little lines for the layers of the tree. So I just take this and I just kind of wiggle it. So you want to follow the line from, here, kind of go down and back up a little bit, and then just take this and then just draw some little lines. And the same thing on the top one. Okay, and I like to add a little bit of a luster dust to the green just to make it sparkle a little bit. This is a holly green, and I just take a brush and just lightly brush it on there. Okay. Now on this one, the top one, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and write the message on there. Oh, it looks like I have some luster dust inside here, so I want to just kind of brush that in a little bit. Okay, so I want to write Merry Christmas on this one. So I've got white royal icing with a tip number 1. So I have a very small area I need to get this in, so I'm actually going to have to arch the writing a little bit. Okay, and the reason I did that white royal icing is because we're actually going to paint that gold in a little bit, and we need it to dry first.